Who said martinis couldn't be more healthy? Shake up your next event with a collagen-infused martini. So let's get to it. First off, you're gonna need a ½ ounce of simple syrup, a ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, about a ½ cup of blueberries, and you're gonna wanna muddle it thoroughly. When you're finished muddling, be sure to add our CollagenActiv. Next, just gonna add some ice, and then 2 ounces of your favorite vodka, and finally 1 ounce of water. Then you want to shake vigorously for 10 seconds. And there you have it, our blueberry collagen infused martini. It's going to be great for your next get together, a wedding, party, whatever you can find out for it. Until then, cheers.